Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Binary Master. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today, I will trade on Bollinger Band strategy. This strategy is very good and very profitable, and many professional traders earn profit by following this strategy. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for features update. We are best binary signals provider. You can find the Telegram signals link in the description of this video. Take a look at my Telegram channel. So let's start live trade for better understanding. Greetings, traders! Today, we unravel the secrets of a powerful trading strategy that could transform your IQ option game. Join us as we master the art of Bollinger Bands and unlock new possibilities in your trading journey. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights. Now, let's explore the Bollinger Band strategy together. To grasp the power of the Bollinger Band strategy, we must first understand what Bollinger Bands are. These dynamic indicators, created by John Bollinger, provide a clear visual representation of market volatility and price levels. Watch closely as we break down the components of Bollinger Bands and how they can be a game changer in your trades. Now that we know the basics, let's navigate the IQ option platform together. I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Bollinger Bands for optimal performance. Remember, precision is key in implementing this strategy, and we'll show you exactly how to achieve it. Get ready to witness real-time trades using the Bollinger Band strategy. We'll explore various scenarios, from trend reversals to breakout trades, giving you a comprehensive understanding of how to adapt this strategy to different market conditions. Stay tuned for practical tips that can elevate your trading skills. Even the most seasoned traders can stumble. In this segment, we'll uncover common mistakes traders make when implementing the Bollinger Band strategy and, more importantly, how to steer clear of these pitfalls. Learn from the experiences of others to enhance your decision-making process. Congratulations, traders! You've just taken a significant step towards mastering the Bollinger Band strategy on IQ option. If you found this guide valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Subscribe for more insightful content, and may your trades be ever prosperous. Happy trading!